Good afternoon once more. So this is a tutorial on Warrior Forum. I think they've been around since 1998. One of the best traffic sources there is. Am I telling the truth? Am I lying? Well, let's just take a look. Warrior Forum, YouTube, Warrior Forum, YouTube, Warrior Forum. There's a proof in it. It's not me making it up. These are real stats. Just to make a point. So how do you make money with Warrior Forum? You really need to go to this. I'll just show the signature. So you have to pay for this. It's not affiliate program. What was it? Probably making thousands, I think. So it's you pay $5 and then you put in your ad copy. Let's build an online business by giving value and learn how to build an email list. And that's the link. So you don't put your link when you're answering these questions. It's already there. It's already on there. So let's post. I think I might have answered this one before. Not sure. Just take a look. Find my name. It's maybe not there. Go to just to really. So according to this, I've not. What you should not use AI. These guys have been around for a long time. They've got AI detection. They don't tolerate it. Some forums do, but this one doesn't. And another thing not to do as well, that they'll new posters only one, but there'll be loads of questions. Don't just sit there all day. I think I just thanked this one. So yes, there's my signature. So I just thanked this post. I didn't actually write something. So don't sit there all day and write one after the other. Their system detects it, and if you've not really answered the question, you'll get an email saying it's been removed. Sort of thing. So you just answer genuinely, and people do see your signature and they do click on it, as I've proved. So just read what he's saying. It's just a general post. It's probably I just thanked it. Internet marketing. See if there's any. Some of these are old posts. I might not be able to show you because a lot of them get closed and you can't. So I just need to find one that I have wrote a comment before. Right, so here it is. So Midsburn 1907, hyperactive warrior. If they wind me up, or just put that in. So joined in 2022. Post 148. That just really means answering the question. And thanks. That's just pressing the thanks button. And people have thanked me 37 times in 29 posts. Is it hi? So I think we need both. She's saying what's will AI replace man really? I use AI for blog ideas, but I still have my blogs optimized by Blog Expert. I think SEO by humans will always be key. I think AI does help with content, great ideas. I hope this helps. Thanks. And let's see. It should show my signature. I don't know why. That's strange. I've just missed it or something. Let's see if we can. Could because the thread's closed, so I don't know if we'll be able to show it. Nah. Let's see. Come out of that and see if we can This is one I did answer as well. See if we can find something. We'll just maybe leave a comment. This one, I just kind of write something. That is a very story. We need more people like this. We'll post that. Yeah, so it must just be on sort of questions, but closed ones that won't have the what do you call it, the signature. So yeah, so someone sees that and go, what's this? Build email address. Click on it, and then click here, and then they go on my email list, and that's how you build traffic. That's how you use Warrior Forum. Pay for the signature, one-off payment of $5 for life, and then just answer the questions. My advice is you answer one, and then maybe leave it maybe 20 to 40 minutes, just so the system's not detecting that you're just going in to do it every 2 minutes. Maybe do 2 an hour, go and do something else. But that's how you use it, and think what product am I promoting, or what product could I promote? Well, in the description is the best product you ever find, and we'll hope to see you there. Bye bye for now.